Thank you, Mr. Matesic, and good evening. I'd also like to welcome you to Jesuit High School tonight. It's truly an honor to host you, the class of 2030, and your parents. Tonight, our house is your house. So as you walk our grounds, meet our students, and interact with our teachers, I hope that you feel a part of our school community. This is a community that I've proudly been part of since 1997, when I was a freshman at Jesuit. I can still vividly remember my open house experience as an 8th grader in November of 1996. I wasn't sure where I wanted to go to high school. I grew up in Plant City, so my neighborhood friends wanted me to go to school there. I went to 6th, 7th, and 8th grade at Nativity in Brandon, and many of my friends, the boys and obviously the girls, were planning to attend other Catholic high schools. I was undecided, so much so that I didn't even take the entrance exam at Jesuit. My experience at Open House changed that. Although campus looked much different back then, I still felt like I was at home. The campus, the people, the excitement. My mind was all but made up. Tonight you will see on full display a proud institution that's been educating young men in Tampa since 1899, 126 years. Academically, we take pride in meeting students where they're at and then pushing them to achieve. Jesuit's AP program is accessible and successful, with record numbers of students enrolled in AP classes and setting school records for pass rates. And our dual enrollment program through St. Lucie University and Creighton University now offers 20 courses. Within our curriculum, students can explore their interests and develop their talents in engineering, art, journalism, business, technology, theater, and music. The Jesuit course of studies, rooted in traditional fundamentals, provides a challenging and rigorous education that prepares students for the next level and beyond. 100% of Jesuit graduates are accepted into colleges and universities throughout the United States every year. Jesuit is an institution committed to providing our students with the knowledge, skills, and experiences that are necessary to be successful and serve others in the modern world. But this is not an end unto itself, which is one of the many things that I believe sets us apart. Jesuit education has very deep roots, going back over 450 years when the first Jesuit school opened in Sicily. These roots keep us grounded, and they prevent us from chasing fads and trends that sweep through education quickly. Ignatian pedagogy, Jesuit education and methodology, these are tried, true, and have withstood the test of time. Jesuit is not an 8 o'clock to 3:30 school, and students are expected to get involved in student life. And there's something for everyone, which you'll see tonight when you meet our actors, musicians, artists, engineers, peer ministers, and athletes. We push our students to set high goals for themselves and then to work hard to achieve them. We want our students to develop their God-given talents and gifts, and maybe even discover hidden ones. Our extracurricular program forms our students into well-rounded and confident young men who know what it means to work hard in pursuit of excellence. And excellence is the standard here. Last year, for the 4th consecutive year, Jesuit's athletic program was recognized as the best boys athletic program in the state of Florida. That extends to all areas of the school, though. The culture of competition on our campus, in the classroom, out of the classroom. This helps our students build character and develop resilience, and it helps them push to achieve at all levels. But at the same time, we are a tight-knit community where students are each known by name, and they're cared for by their teachers, their coaches, and their classmates. Here at Jesuit, classmates and teammates quickly become brothers for life. Our mission as a Catholic school that forms its students into men for others is our top priority, and it's what we're best at. At Jesuit, students come to know themselves and discover who they are, but more importantly, they come to know God and experience His love. This human formation helps our students become responsible men and someday, hopefully, good husbands, fathers, and community leaders. Medals, banners, trophies, test scores, these are all great, but the kind of men that we produce is ultimately how we judge whether or not we've done a good job. Graduates of this school for the past 126 years have gone on to achieve, succeed, and lead in all areas of society. And each of those men over those 126 years have started where you 8th graders are tonight, with an interest in Jesuit, visiting the school, filling out an application. Tonight, you'll meet students who were in your shoes not too long ago. Talk to them, ask them questions. As you walk campus, speak with our students and pick their brains, I hope you find Jesuit as a place where you can see yourself spending the next 4 years, working to become the man who you want to be and that God created you to be. Thank you.